The new AMFMethod online documentation and training website provides users easy access to equipment manuals, while incorporating a variety of interactive training modules offered on all new AMF equipment. AMFMethod is designed to provide our valued customers with improved productivity, increasing efficiencies in their processes, improving their problem-solving empowerment, and reducing employee turnover. To navigate to the training and documentation portal from amfbakery.com, click on the menu navigation icon in the top left-hand corner. Customer Care. Then Documentation and Training. Logging into the AMFMethod documentation and training website, users will have a unique login and password that is generated and created at time of sales order shipment. After entering username and password, click the Sign In link to begin. There are two levels of user access. One being corporate level accounts, and local level accounts, specific to a bakery location. When logged in as a corporate level account, users can select various locations under their corporate account. While logged in under corporate level access, the user can easily select and change locations to reveal documentation that is specific to that location. Select product types available at the selected bakery location. Available documentation is revealed according to product type. View equipment manuals online or download for offline viewing. Secondary navigation, at the top, gives the user the ability to track their location within the website. Click on the documentation link to navigate to any available documentation. Additional training information will be found here, when available. Content information is only displayed when available. This includes additional presentation handout materials for the computer-based training programs, video-based training for specific tasks, and offline computer-based training packages for PC download to run locally. Online viewable training is available for viewing on a tablet or personal computer. Product-specific documentation information, where available, is displayed for online viewing or download. For example, the equipment bill of material, drawings, or equipment manuals can either be viewed or available for download. For you need access to historical general archive-based documentation for equipment sold prior to spring of 2016, AMFMethod provides the capability to view or download base historical documents. Registering for update notifications. Users may elect to register others for AMFMethod update notifications for a specific location, if entered by a corporate account user, and specific types of notification, whether for training and/or other documentation.